And that's why he is there.
Kaya naman itong EAC, they transferred into a zone.
Mangubat drains the triple. Unang punto sa laban natin para kay Lawrence Mangubat.
Make the most out of it. Kasi hindi mo alam kung kailan ka ulit gagawin. Hindi mo alam kung kailan mag-control mo ulit yung mga kasama mo, diba?
That's right.
So, kailangan. Ito na naman.
And Lawrence Mangubat drains his second one from the same spot. Jeco Bangkales back in the game. Pati itong si Devara ng EAC. Mangubat! Kaboom! The rookie is red hot from downtown. A second quarter explosion by Lawrence Mangubat. Cortiza. Luciano. That's a call against Noel Aguimeñi.
Ito nga Aguimeñi talagang ano lang eh. Fossil player. It's more on defense.
Pero ito si Lawrence Mangubat. Not gun shy anymore.
Oh, that's his third.
Ito natin to. Siya naman yung gumawa ng galaw dito. Oh. Side to side dribble.
The shot was there. It's a good look. Pero wala talaga. Kanina sa labas. Kaya naman at the post naman niya trinay. Ito na naman si Recto.
Recto, it's Bakud. Mangubat from the corner. Mangubat knocks it down.
Lawrence Mangubat.
And now, Mapua has established the biggest lead of the game at 13-52-39. Foul against the Cardinals though.
Ito na naman si Recto.
Foul on number 10. Cyrus Cuenca, his first foul. Substitution.
Turning it up as well. The steal and
Harvey
the score.
Bangsahan.
Susunod ito,
For
Lawrence
Jello
Mangubat.
Relosto.
Sa
Nailing
corner.
Two free
pang-apat
throws.
na 3 puntos. Big Bo. Para kay Lawrence Mangubat.
Oh, he has a man in front.
Yeah.
Hindi yung talagang
na yung mga players.
Huwag na tularan. Kumbaga, hinihigpitan talaga nila. Dahil nga, may mga instances na posibleng mangyari pa sa susunod. So, eto na naman si Mangubat.
Para kay Sunog! Para kay Lawrence Mangubat. He now has 15 in the game all from 3-point range.